Hello everyone, thanks for stopping back again today. Out here in the camper, working on some projects. Happy 2022 everyone. Happy New Year. So, topic today is lighting options for the inside. Interior lighting. Two versions of lights here. This is the standard one we all have. Actually, it's an upgraded model. LEDs instead of incandescent. These are, I believe, you can swap out the LEDs if there is an issue. But this is a nice set. I actually have two of them. I have one by the entryway, then I have another one right above the microwave. They work really well, very bright. But what I ran into was I want to replace that one right there, and that is the bulb that is above where my daughter sleeps at night. That's the pull-out bed, and this is just too bright for a night light. So for her to just read above the bed there at night, this is way too bright. Even with one light on, it's just too bright. So went out to Amazon and found this model. This is a dual selectable version. So it not only has the bright LED option, it has a warm soft white light option, which I thought is exactly what I'm looking for. So this has a dual version. Like I said, 12 volts, does not run on 24. Standard positive negative, just like any 12 volt. Uses 5 watts of power, and you select it via the on-off switch. So it says turn it on immediately when turn it off if you want to change the light color. Doesn't quite make sense, but we'll figure it out. So let's see what this one looks like. I don't even think I've gotten it out of the box yet. No, I guess I did. I've had it for 2 months now and I couldn't remember. So here's what it looks like. Let's take it out of the package here. Not much to it. Standard power. Do these come off? They do come off. Look at all those LEDs. That is a lot of LEDs right there. So obviously you have to take it off to get to your screws. 8 screws total. Excuse me. What I can tell you is it feels a little, I don't know, doesn't feel quite as sturdy as this other model, but it's not like something you're going to be moving around or anything. So there's that. Let me pull this one out so we can compare. Yeah, this does have a sealed bag. Again, I love this light here. It is just very bright. Side by side, about the same size. There we go. Alright, well I'm going to go put this one up and we'll see what it looks like. We'll do some testing on that selection switch. Alright, stay tuned. Just a note, on my rig they gave me very little wire to work with. So I literally had to cut this off right where the light was. That's where the light was wired, right there. So I cut it right at the wire fixture, and they gave me this whole it's got to be an inch. So that's where I tied into black to black, and white is positive, so white to red in this case. But just wanted to do a little showing of this lack of wiring from the factory. Alright, let's get it hooked up. Okay, so here's the install. Now the other light only had 4 screws, 1 in each corner, and that's all I put in. I just reused the screws These lined up decently. These two did not. So it is a little bit bigger of a unit than what was here. And I don't see any problem with just using 4 screws. It doesn't weigh anything. So turn it on. That's bright white, cool white, warm is what they called it. There is a difference. But what I will say is it is still very bright. Well, here we are, finished product. Let's see what they look like. Bright light. Very nice. Warm light. There we go. Looks awesome. Let's see what it looks like from over here. Warm light. White light. Very nice. I actually really like that warm light in here. That looks nice over the sofa. There we go. Another project in the books. I'll put links down in the description below. Both lights will be there. Thanks a lot. See you on the next one.